Hello and welcome back to Bhavani JIIB. Today we are talking about retail banking specially made for Indian bank employees aiming to crack JIIB. In our journey through paper 4 module C, we start with the 21st unit service standards for retail banking. Here we will be learning about the introduction, objectives of BCSBI, codes by BCSBI, code compliance rating and CEPD. What is BCSBI? BCSBI stands for the Banking Codes and Standards Board of India. RBI in 2003, headed by Shri S.S. Tarapur, was established in order to improve the public banking services. They recommended improving the customer services in banks. Based on its recommendation, BCSBI, Banking Codes and Standards Board of India, was established in February 2006. The purpose is to set minimum fair service standards that every bank must follow over and above RBI's rules. Though BCSBI was dissolved in 2020, its codes of commitment still form the backbone of bank customer service today. Then, what are the objectives of BCSBI? It is to promote fair treatment of bank customers, to develop and monitor codes of conduct for bank, to encourage transparency, ethics, and better service to the customers, to provide training, to create awareness, and to run campaigns so that the customers are well aware of these rules, enter into agreements with banks to follow the code, publish and spread knowledge via events, courses, and websites. They even sign formal agreements with banks to follow these codes. Codes by BCSBI. There are two key codes: Code of Bank's Commitment to Customers, Code of Bank's Commitment to Micro and Small Enterprises. These codes are voluntary, but almost all banks follow them strictly. They are available in English, Hindi, and regional languages. And this regularly gets updated, and the last revision was done in Jan 2018. The customer code is designed to set minimum standards and to make the bank customer relationship clear and honest. It ensures fair practices across all products, savings, loans, cards, etc. It improves the grievance redressal process. Then, what are the rights given to customers under this code? We have 5 key rights every customer has. The first one is the right to fair treatment. That is, no discrimination and equal service for all, irrespective of the age, religion, gender, and income. Next is the right to transparency and honest dealing. Clear terms and no hidden charges, transparent contracts, and the information in Hindi, English, or local language to avoid any kind of confusion. Right to sustainability. Right to suitability. Products should match the customer's needs. Right to privacy. Customer data is always kept confidential. Right to grievance redressal. Quick complaint handling and escalation steps clearly defined, and also turnaround time for each grievance. This is about the 5 rights, right? What are the codes for micro and small enterprises? This code helps the MSEs, that is the micro and the small enterprises, to get fair and timely bank services, transparent terms and clear communication, easy access to loans and support during financial stress. It applies to businesses defined under the MSMED Act of 2006. BCSBI rating system for banks. BCSBI uses five parameters to rate the banks, namely the information dissemination, which is given 20%, transparency is given 22%, customer centricity is given 30%, grievance redressal gets 15%, and customer feedback gets 13%. The scoring or the rating scale goes like this. Above 85 is excellent, and 70 to 85 is above average, 60 to 70 is average, and below 60 is below average. CEPD, Consumer Education and Protection Department. After BCSBI was closed, RBI created CEPD, Consumer Education and Protection Department. The major functions of CEPD include: it handles the Banking Ombudsman Scheme, nodal agency for codes of commitment to customers and MSEs, central contact point for customer complaints across banks. And also, it administers the Banking Ombudsman Scheme, now which is a part of the Integrated Ombudsman Scheme of 2021. It acts as nodal department for BCSBI codes. Single point contact for all external complaints and deficiencies in services by RBI or RBI regulated entities. It ensures fair service and follows RBI's customer first approach. So, this is about CEPD. So far, we have learnt about the introduction to BCSBI, the objectives, the codes by BCSBI for both the customers and the MSCs, code compliance ratings, and CEPD. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of banking. Stay tuned, stay informed, and keep banking the Bhavani JAB way. Thank you. And next up, we will be learning the next unit, MKIS. Until next time, happy banking.